Hi, this is Chandan Malik. Welcome to the sixth episode in the series of 22 episodes of option trading strategies. Today, the strategy that we are going to talk about is covered call. Okay, so let's show you what the payoff looks like on covered call. So I will choose a Nifty as the underlying asset. Okay, and let's choose an expiry. Let's say the August expiry. So what you do is you simply buy the August future. This is the price, and you simply sell any of the call option which you feel that that should be the target of Nifty. So let's say someone feels that 16,000 should be the target, so you sell the call and you get 112 rupees for this. And let me just maximize this, and let me show you the projection on this one. So as you can see, the upper side is capped. Your maximum profit point is 16,000 because you sold a 16,000 call right here. Okay, which is 21,161, which is an 18% return. Okay, because the capital deployed is 1,20,000. Okay, however, the downside is totally open. So if let's say if Nifty falls to 14,000, you end up losing about 78,000 or 66% of your capital. Okay, but if you feel that the stock or index is slightly bullish, you can simply make a covered call. This works very well in stocks, but the large cap stocks. Okay, for example, let's say Reliance. If you make covered call on this for the series August, okay, and let's say that it is at 2093. Let's say the target you feel is, let's say, about 2200 on this. Simply sell this and get 32 bucks. Okay, and if you extrapolate this, okay, on expiry, so 2200 is the point of this 2220 I've sold. For 2200 the premium is 37, so 2200 is the point of maximum return, which is 24% on the capital deployed. Reliance. But as like Nifty, the bottom side is totally exposed, so you can lose about a big amount. Let's say if Reliance fall to 1500, you end up losing 1.42 lakhs, which is 105% of your capital. Okay, so this is a covered call strategy. We'll make some adjustments on this so that your risk is defined. So that is the way to play with covered call. Okay, so that was about covered call. The next strategy is a long combo, which is a very good strategy. I make it a lot of times. So let's talk about that in the next episode. Thank you.